Hey carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I want to talk about why having a great company culture is so important in your carpet cleaning business. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB. We specialize in one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to help as many carpet cleaning businesses as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's working with us one-on-one in our digital marketing program or through this YouTube channel. So let's dive right into the content now. So let's talk about why having a great company culture is so important for your carpet cleaning business. Obviously, when you've got employees, technicians, front desk, receptionists and stuff like that, it's really important that you keep them engaged, that they feel rewarded, that they feel motivated, that they feel inspired. And it's all of these things that are going to make them stick around at your company long term. And we all know how hard it is at the moment to find really decent employees and technicians and staff and things like that. So it's never been more important than ever to cultivate a really good culture inside your company so that we're able to retain those really amazing employees when they show up at your business. So one of the things that I wanted to share with you today is something that I'm using. It's a platform, it's by Facebook, or Meta as it's now called. It's called Workplace, and this kind of creates like a digital online environment for your company that allows you to engage in your teammates and your employees to kind of engage with each other and create a really good culture. It's completely free to sign up. Check out the website workplace.com. You can do live videos, so as the owner of the company, if you've got techs out in the field and stuff like that, and you're working remotely from, maybe you've got a shop front and you've got a receptionist in there, maybe you're based out of your home office at home or whatever, you can hop on a quick live and give your team and your company a little update what's going on in the company. They can tune in on their phones using the Workplace app, kind of like watching a Facebook Live, ask you questions and stuff like that. You can create a knowledge library with a kind of the kind of employee user manual, if you like, that they can refer to anytime. You can create things like different groups, a bit like Facebook groups. So with this, it'd be like different departments. So you could have your fulfillment, like your technicians. They could have like a group and all communications and messaging around specifically going out there and sort of cleaning the carpets. That can be that channel. You can have like maybe customer services if you've got a back office or something, and that can be for those guys and stuff like that. You get lots of different insights. It's got like a news feed like Facebook, but let me show you what it looks like for real inside our company. So we've got like company announcements. I kind of say like good morning to the team and stuff like that. And we kind of got a news feed. It's like Facebook. Campaign status. Obviously we're an advertising company that specializes in getting carpet cleaners like yourself booked out with jobs. So it would be different for you guys as carpet cleaners, but this might be like technicians, and in here you'd have like all of the different like technicians that you got working for you. You can post in here about stuff. If somebody's done a really good job of a carpet, stick a picture up, or maybe the tech records a video and you post it in the technicians channel on Workplace, and it kind of like inspires the others that they want to do a better job when they're carpet cleaning next, when they're out on the next job. Or maybe one of your technicians did a really amazing upsell, drop a post in here, celebrate the win, drop a GIF. All the other people in the company see it and they sort of share in the celebrations. It's like awesome. The other great thing is you have like live chat in here as well, which is kind of like Messenger, which makes it super easy and fast to communicate with your team and your employees and your techs. And you can even do video calls and audio calls through here as well for like meetings and stuff like that. So again, if you've got technicians out in the field, or you work remotely compared to everybody's working remotely. You've got maybe a receptionist and she's working from home taking the phone calls. You're working at your home office and you've got a few techs on the road or whatever as well. This is a great way how you can have group video call meetings, get everybody together, or if you just need to speak to someone one-on-one, you can audio call them all through the internet at no cost whatsoever. And so I'm pretty sure you can see like how this can kind of create like a really engaging, enjoyable, rewarding environment learn for your employees. Like I said, you know, somebody does something amazing or achieves something. Maybe somebody's got their cleaning certificate, or they completed a training, or somebody did an amazing upsell. You can, you know, in the relevant channel, you can post the win. Everybody can share it, you know, in that success. You can do live videos, give your team and your company updates about what's going on in the business and things like that. And it's a great way to kind of stay in touch with everybody as well. So I just wanted to show you this software, show you this video. I think it could be really, really useful, especially to those carpet cleaners that aren't just kind of like owner operators, but certainly for those multi-truck operations. This can be a great platform and piece of software to really unite your company. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out more about working with us on a one-on-one basis to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, check out the link in the description where you'll be able to schedule a Zoom call with us. See you on the next one, guys. Peace.